Hi, this video will mainly to show about our 7-inch touchscreen, the Android-based touchscreen. How can we install the applications? So basically on the back side, we can check it out, and we didn't use the power adapter. We just use the LAN cable directly connect. Then we can have the power just because it can support the PoE. And on the back side, and we can see here's a USB port, which is allows for the plug a USB driver for installing like the application. And on this side, we have another Type-C port, which is for us to do the debugging or the firmware upgrading. Okay. And now I'm just going to show the first way to install the application. We just use the USB flash driver. So we can just copy the APK file inside the USB driver, then we can just directly plug into the USB port from the backside. But if you didn't see the USB port on the backside, that means you got the old back box. So you will need to remove the four screws, remove the back box, then you can see this USB port here. Okay, so we just plug into the USB port, then we back to the front side. So on the front side, and basically we have like the application, which is called ES File Explorer. So we just click this one. Now we can see we already found the USB flash driver, which we plugged in. And now we just press this one and choose the folder, and we see the MCS. This is our application to control our matrix switcher. Okay, so I will just click the APK, then we can just install. Okay, to make it installed, so we can just back to the home page. Okay, so now we already have the application installed, and then okay, so MCS, this is our application to control our matrix switcher. Okay, so this is the one way to install the application. Okay, I will just uninstall this application, and let's try how we can install by another way, which is no need to have the USB flash driver. Okay, so now I'm just going to remove the USB flash driver, then go back to the front side. Same thing, we need to have the File Explorer run this application, then next one, and when we run this software, and then we see here we got a view on PC. So we have this FTP address and the port here, and so basically on our PC we need to install a software which is called this one. Okay, and we can show the more details. It's called the FileZilla. So this is the application, the software which is on our PC software, and when we have this one installed on PC, we just type the host, which is for our touchscreen, and this is the IP address, and no need the username and password. Then we just got the port, which is from the here also as well. Okay, so now we already have it turned on, and we can just use a quick connect, and we just click establish connection in a new tab. Okay, so now we already have it connect, we just close the previous one. So now it's already connected. Next step we can do is we can just use from the application. Just because I already have the application, which is in my BHD, and then we have it BHD products and control and MCS app. So we can see this is the application which is also showing here, and then we can just simply drag the APK directly to the right side. Then we can finish the installation as well. APK installation. Okay, shows the file has been successfully transferred. Now we can just back to the touch screen, and now we can just back, and we'll just scroll down, and here we see a new fields, so we can just make it showing up. Okay, so now it's already showing up here. It's the application which we transfer to the FuseZilla software directly from the PC. So now we can just click the APK and click again and do the same installation. Installing. So now we already have the MCS installed. We can just back to the home page. Right, it's the same thing. It's showing up here. Okay. Thank you. So this is about 2 ways to how we install the application on 7-inch Android-based touchscreen. Next video, I'm going to show how to use this touchscreen to control our matrix switcher.